guys, welcome back to our vlog. I'll tell you, I spent $42 on a small pizza to get DoorDash to me.
What is wrong with you?
I don't know!
Recap The Bachelor.
Peter took Hannah Ann on her one-on-one and told her he's in love with her. Pretty sure they
did the dirty.
How will Madison respond?
How do you tell somebody you're in love with them, but yet you are on a show and interacting with other women and like hooking up with them and stuff?
That's the thing. Maddie was like, if you sleep with someone else, like, I'm not going to be able to continue. And he was like shocked by it. I'm like, you literally came on this show to sleep with 3 women in the same week. Like, that's all I believe at this point. He literally came on the show to have sex 3 times.
If you love someone, you're not sleeping with other women.
I don't think that they need to sleep together.
So what was his reaction when she told him, like, I don't want you sleeping with other women?
She told him that before the fantasy suites happened, and then the fantasy suites happened, and he obviously sleeps with the other 2 women, so then she's the last date that they go on. So he's already slept with them. Yeah, she was the last date, so he had already slept with these 2 other girls, and then she's like, I can't move forward if I know that you slept with them. And he's like, well, I'm not gonna go into details, but I mean, we were intimate. And she like gets up from the table and walks away.
I would too.
And they have no fantasy suite.
Would you honestly sleep with someone that slept with not 1, but 2 other women?
Disgusting.
The night prior.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
That's gross. That's not even sanitary at this point. Think about it, you guys. This is passing germs. And like those germs are still in there 6 days later. You like know damn well it doesn't just wash out that quick.
Carly is going way too into depth with it.
His reaction's really funny because it's like the kid that's really upset that he can't try all the tables at the buffet. It's like, damn it, I want macaroni!
Literally parked right in front of the studio window. Directly in front of the window.
They're parked right in front of the window.
What is going on?
Goose fraba. Say goose fraba. That's not goose fraba. Everyone asks me what my job is. It's to go get Chipotle for everyone else. So I had to run across the street to get the Chipotle back. You were saying that there was a police officer coming by, and why did you freak out?
I thought you were gonna get arrested for jaywalking.
Why do you always think the police are going to
They
arrest
just make
us?
me scared. I don't know, because I'm like a law-abiding citizen.
Are you a law-abiding citizen, or is she not?
Like sometimes I watch movies illegally online.
I do the same thing. This is how Tyler wants the girls to pose. He goes, pose mysteriously. They're saucy Celine Dion, like this. Takes the jacket, he goes... And it's like, he goes, show me the shoulder. Shoulder, no shoulder. Shoulder, no shoulder. This is how he goes.
I hate you so much.
He goes like a bird with a busted back.
What?
What is
Think
going
of
on?
this as mysterious.
What is wrong with you?
My name's Helga, I'm a nun. Oh, so lovely.
What?
What is that? It's a raccoon.
Big girl problem.
Look at this ferret.
Don't bully my hair. Oh my god, that's the most disgusting mullet I've ever seen.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's Joe Dirt.
Yeah.
Joe Dirt.
You're gonna bust out the dirt bags and just... Oh, come on.
I had a very exciting weekend.
I'm so excited to share my news to my mom.
What is it?
Stegosaurus.
What?
A stegosaurus. Oh.
That made a weird noise.
He's got a bit of a nub for his tail, but I think he's very cute. Look how look, Maddie, did you see?
That looks like a blow-up toy.
I'm so excited. He's squishy. Squishy. Do you want to be the godmother? Yes. Oh, good. Brother. I'm gonna leave him in the water longer and see if this kind of irons itself out.
Okay, but have you named him though?
No.
Is it a boy or a girl?
This one's a girl. This one's a boy.
Okay, but what is that one? Is it broccoli?
Your broccoli. Your face is broccoli. You're not even cauliflower. I can't even make a vegan pizza out of you.
That's rude.
You're rude. All right, we're gonna just let that tail chill. Welcome to the world, little girl. I love you.
You gonna give her a name?
Not yet. It'll come to me.
Okay. But what's your boy name?
Well, we should call it Potato the alligator.
Tater the alligator.
Partial to it. We're not looking for a name for the alligator. We're looking for a name for the dinosaur.
Let me give you a short list of names. Tell me which one you like the most. Samantha, Jenethith, Melinda, and Karen. Okay, but which name do you like the most?
None of them. I feel bad for your children one day.
What about Ruby?
She's green. Emmy. That's cute.
Emmy the Stegosaurus?
Yeah, that's her name. Aww.
Did you say or celery?
Yeah, either one.
Broccoli the Stegosaurus?
If you
Call one of my kids broccoli one more time, I'm gonna punch you in the peen.
Did you die? Be serious. You
The
gotta
lens.
tilt the camera up right. Susan.
Black.
Susan. You gotta tilt it. It's so that we could see ourselves because she's not gonna know what to do. Susan's holding the camera. Thanks for watching our vlog. You wanna say this too? I'm say this too. Okay, so it's
Like,
Share, subscribe
comment.
on all of our social media at Nanamacs.
You
I'm
messed
so
it up.
confused.
No, Susan.
And follow us on all our social media at
Nanamacs.
Cut.
Was it corny?
Yeah,
yeah.
we're good.
Hurt my hip bone.
Thanks for recording. Thanks, Mom.